Sure, exercise 2-10, debt ratio. We're going to calculate the debt ratio of Dumbo Moving Company. So let's first review from the PowerPoint what the debt ratio is. It's one of the many ways to try to evaluate business performance. Specifically, the debt ratio shows a portion or percentage of assets that are financed with debt. So we want as little debt as possible. So it'd be best if there was a zero, but that's not realistic. So the formula is total liabilities divided by total assets. So here is the data all nice and summarized up for us in a table. Assets are 230,000, liabilities are 69,000, and equity is 161,000. So they want us to enter the formula in words first. So again, that is total liabilities divided by total assets. So we will copy and paste the 69,000 in liabilities under total liabilities, and then 230,000 under total assets. So then they want our debt ratio stated as a percent. So we are going to go ahead and get our calculator open to do the math here. So that is going to be 69,000 divided by 230,000. And that's going to give us the decimal version. So that is 0.3 or 30%. However, we can move the decimal either two places over to get that 30%, or we can multiply it by 100 to convert this into a percent. So again, that is going to be 30%. And they want this to the nearest whole percent, and thankfully there are no decimals on this one, so it's just straightforward. We enter 30% for the debt ratio. So what that means is that 30% of the company's assets are financed with debt. And another way to say that is 30% of the assets are owned by the bank and all the other creditors, whoever they may be. Now the question becomes, is that good or bad? Well, it depends on the different industries because they have different levels of debt ratio. So you need to compare the average debt ratio of similar companies. In other words, you can go look for the average debt ratio of whatever industry this company is in. And that is it. So let's go ahead and check our answer. Good job.